Samsung is going big with the Galaxy S23 Ultra cameras, and every passing day, we are getting some interesting news regarding the cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Now here's the thing, Universe shares some exclusive information regarding the cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra, but before moving on, make sure to subscribe to the channel. The new 200 megapixel camera brings a lot of new features that were not available on S22 Ultra, and as per Universe, Galaxy S23 Ultra will have no focus issue as S20 and onwards we get a lot of issues on the Galaxy devices regarding their focus. So it is now clear there is no issue as Universe might have seen the camera of Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, according to him, we are getting some amazing stabilization in the cameras of Galaxy S23 Ultra. As per previous reports, we might see the sensor shift stabilization in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is amazing. So we might see some amazing photos and videos out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Along with these new features, Samsung is going to add new night photography feature which is much better than the S22 Ultra. Also, a new portrait video mode which can able to record at 2.8K. Samsung also going to give us 3 shooting modes, and we even get a screenshot of the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera modes: 20 megapixel, 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel. Some says it's 12.5 and some says it's 12, so it can go both sides, not a big difference. Let me know in the comments, why do you want to get the Galaxy S23 Ultra? Is it cameras or a new processor? According to Universe, Galaxy S23 Ultra speakers are also getting better in quality, especially in bass. And also, we are going to get some great audio out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra with its new microphone. So these are some small updates that makes a big impact on performance of a flagship device. By this time, everyone knows the Galaxy S23 Ultra is only coming with a single processor, and that is Snapdragon 2. But this new Snapdragon 2 will be overclocked at 3.36 GHz instead of 3.19 on a normal Snapdragon 2. So we can get some amazing performance out of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, but as per benchmarks, this overclock doesn't affect the benchmarks numbers. Maybe S23 Ultra needs more optimization to get it better. Other than that, this year, Qualcomm focused on power efficiency and they have done a great job. If you are up for Galaxy S23 Ultra, then Samsung started a reservation for the S23 Ultra, and if you reserve your device, you can get $50 Samsung credit, and if you do both, like S23 Ultra and Galaxy Book 3, then you can end up having $100. If you guys want to see the price of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.